guys, welcome back to the Thrifty Christian YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you guys exactly how I text my items that need to be listed over to my VAs in the Philippines. So I'm going to show you real quick how I do it using my cell phone. And basically, we log into Skype together and we use the messaging system. So I'm going to show you real quick what I'm about to list, or actually what I'm not going to list it. I'm going to send this over to him. So it's a Bart Simpson's vintage 1990s t-shirt. That's what we're going to use as the example. Great little find right there. So I'm going to shrink this screen down a little bit and show you here. I've done my research. I have found one exactly like it. And this one, they're asking $45 for it. I know that's not the sold, and I could go back and do the solds, but I just want to get a thought on what people are asking. And I've looked at other shirts and I've seen that they're all over the place. So this one I think I'm just going to list for $29.99, something like that, and just get rid of it. So let me pull you guys back up here and let's do this. Okay, so again, I am in the messaging, you can't even see it, the messaging system for Skype. And here we go. So I'm just going to use the microphone for a portion of this, and then I'll go back in and hand type the location and the measurements and stuff. So here we go. Vintage 1990 The Simpsons men's t-shirt, size XL, white. Okay, so it likes to spell out the word Excel, so I just have to do a quick change for that. And so I'll read it back to you. Vintage 1990, The Simpsons men's t-shirt, size XL, white. Now I'll just put in this little location number, TE8, on these plastic sleeves that I have here. Now I'll throw my phone down, grab the tape, and measure that. That's 20 inches by 30. So now I'll do 20/30. He recognizes that as the measurements that go into the item description pre-made template that I have showed you on prior videos. Okay, so now all that's left is the price and the shipping. $29.99, first class. And that is it. So now I'm just going to hit send, and that's done. So now simply just fold it up. Slide it into my sleeve. And these are reusable, guys. These are reusable. That's all I do. I have a huge stack of them under here. When I sell an item, I just throw them under my desk. And when I start to shoot my VA's new listings, I just pull them out, lay them here on top of my desk, shoot it over, and go to the next item. So I'll just keep moving on. Got another t-shirt here. So that's how you do it in a nutshell. And like I said, what I pay the VAs is, about $1 a listing, and they cross list onto 3 platforms. So $1 to get it on 3 different platforms. I could have them put it on OfferUp, but I don't want to push it that hard. I don't want to deal with 4 platforms. I'll just stay with the 3: Mercari, Poshmark, and eBay. So any questions, guys? And if you want to do this, I like doing it like this because I can go out and source 25 to 50 items a day, and it takes no time at all to do 25 of these. I have a pile of them that I just completed over here on the floor in less than an hour. So for anybody that goes out and likes to do the thrifting part and you don't necessarily like to come in and do the listing part, I highly, highly encourage you to get with me at thethriftychristian@gmail.com, and I will be happy to put you in touch with a VA that may be able to help you. Otherwise, you'd have to go to onlinejobs.ph and pay $70 to gain access for a month to try to hire a VA. Yeah, that's another way to do it. But if the VAs of mine know some VAs that are looking for work, and if you need a VA, just shoot me an email and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. So I hope this helps you out, guys. Again, God bless each and every one of you. I thank you. I can't thank you guys enough. All the new subscribers that I've been getting lately. I know it's not much, but I know that in the future this channel is just going to keep growing and growing and growing, and I want to keep making videos for you guys. So again, thank you guys so much. Any feedback, thumbs up, all that good stuff will be appreciated. So I'll see you in the next one. Thrifty Christian, I'm out.